So dive deeper into all of those details a little bit later. For the moment, let's see how we can not start from scratch. So I don't want my team of annotators to come in and start reading all of these texts and then using the entities in my taxonomy to annotate all of this content, right? So I want to speed it up. And for that, I have this button, which is called Pre-Annotate. If I click the button, according to the project configuration that I choose, I see here all the elements that I can use to pre-annotate my data, right? So I see that I have a couple of models available. I have added all of those models to my project configuration, and now I want to reuse them for those new tasks and see what they pre-annotate, what type of annotations they automatically generate. After that, I'm going to assign those tasks to my team of annotators and ask them to simply correct the predictions generated with my models. So as you can see, currently the pre-annotation is running for the 5 tasks. My models were already deployed. And here you see the yellow circle next to each one of the tasks. Once the pre-annotation is done for those tasks, it will turn green. At that point, I can click on my task and see everything was all the information which was identified as part of this task. So you can see that we have entities here, we have relations between entities, and we even have ICD-10 codes, right? So those are oncological nodes, so which present or describe patients with cancer, and we are able to resolve all the cancer diagnosis to ICD-10 codes, right? Now, the task of my annotators will be to just go through those pre-annotations and correct them. So now on the right side of the screen, you can see all the entities which were discovered, the relations as well. We can hide them if it will be easier to view the extracted entities. We can show them. And then when I do mouse over each one of those relations, they will be highlighted as part of the main screen, main annotation screen. And this will make the validation process or the feedback, the human feedback, easier. Okay, still I see in the version panel, I have one completion which is in progress and predictions which are generated by the Spark NLP pre-annotation pipeline, which were just created. Below you can see a filter which allows you to remove from those pre-annotations automatically generated by the model, those which are below a certain confidence score, right? So if you simply move the slider to the right, the only annotations which will remain on your completions are the ones which are between, for instance, 0.4 and 1 in terms of confidence score, right? Now let's go back to the tasks view, and here, okay, we see that all my tasks are now pre-annotated.